Congress commitment to Meghalaya, an unemployment-free Meghalaya. Congress is committed towards providing a job to every household in Meghalaya.
5 commitments na kasing Congress na kabinta ka 5-star Meghalaya.
Rituraj Sinha ubadeu National Secretary ke BJP ulang bak airline permit ke degamat kebadan kam banyatai bat baro ke bedan benta. Bat kedan kedau ke besongnya bagi pat bak ke jela Meghalaya ki kwa iaka ILP. Nari ke jingkiu jeng ke jela Meghalaya ke de ke belalam leng bak ke kam jeng okai perthai bat ke bedan bentah ke kam jeng okai perthai. Bun ki penpau bak ke ILP kan perking ba bat kan manra ya ke jeng duk nong ha ke liang ke kam jeng okai perthai. Uni unang yalam ke BJP udaong bakane kamat kalong kebadan kam menetai sanibha komta an sekren bat barok kebadan benta hadin ke election bat ukermen scam ba an sala ban chemekarai ke bakhat do akbedai bat ke jingdawa pentrekam yak ILP.
We believe that there is genuine reason that people are arguing for ILP in this state, but we also believe that the development of Meghalaya has to be led by tourism. And for tourism, a lot of people have argued that ILP is restrictive, which could result in significant opportunity loss to the tourism sector. This matter needs to be deliberated. We will definitely discuss with all stakeholders, and post-elections, hopefully we will be in a position in the Legislative Assembly to have enough count to do a thorough debate and then take a final formal view on the ILP matter. The point is very simple, like I said, that this matter needs due deliberation. We want to take policy action which is good for the welfare of Meghalayans. ILP is an issue that has good rationale for and against. It needs to be deliberated, and we will do so post-elections.
Ka BJP kamsyam lakular AA ru haka election manifesto ya ke jingdawa ki padba ke jela ban pynrung no ya ke ktien Khasi Garo haka 8th schedule jong riti sensyari. Halor kania uni unong yalam jong kaseng BJP ulaong bak ktien Khasi Garo ki de ke bladon de gispasnem badai ban pediang ban pynrung no eki haka 8th schedule jong riti sensyari. Bad ke BJP ke yang rengkat bagi pat Khasi Garo halor kene ngamat jengdawa bad hadian ke election lada ke job bon teligi seat kan ra kene ngamat hak yang dorbar tawan ke jela Meghalaya bad kan netre rengkat bad ke sarkar pedeng.
Language in the schedule. What is the stand of BJP on this demand of people?
We believe that people of Meghalaya have a very rich culture, and the Khasi and Garo languages have hundreds of years of cultural value. We believe that these languages must be considered for inclusion in the 8th schedule, and BJP stands with the Garo people and the Khasi people for inclusion of these languages. We will do our best after election. If we have adequate number of seats, we will move this in the Legislative Assembly and work in close coordination with central government to take this request up.
But resolution has already been passed in the Meghalaya Legislative Assembly regarding this.
Like I said, we have been only 2 seats in the Meghalaya Assembly. When we are in a dominant role in the Meghalaya Assembly, when we have greater influence and say, we will definitely be able to take this to Delhi. And like I said earlier, with a double engine government, with a BJP government in Delhi and a BJP government in Meghalaya, a lot of these long-standing, long-pending issues can be brought to conclusion in record speed. I urge the people of Meghalaya, they have given a chance to Congress, they have given a chance to regional party. I urge them to give one chance to BJP and see the difference that we have made in other states in Northeast.
For a normal conception, we all know that we need a normal semen count of 15 to 20 million. But is pregnancy possible with a sperm count of less than 2 million? Yes, it is possible with a wonderful technique of intracytoplasmic sperm injection. We can select morphologically normal sperms and inject into the eggs of the female partner with a very good success rate.